What's up, y'all? This is Stickle, and today we'll be drawing Ugly God, and me trying to figure out what to talk about in this whole thing while I'm trying to do this. So what's up, y'all? Okay, now I I wanted to come up with a whole lot of people to draw. Like what I mean was like a lot of celebrities and stuff like that, but like can't really find the time to find out who, like who's trending and who's not trending and stuff like that. So like that's why I like post all my videos. Like that's why all my videos is how it is because like I mean I'm kind of late on trending. I need to try to get back on a thing where I can see what's trending and other stuff, so I can be able to post videos of what y'all would love to see. Um, man, dude, oh crap. Now, like I was saying, like yeah, so like I was like, man, who I want to draw, like I came up to like I just listened to music one day, and like I was like, okay, this is a good way to find out who you want to draw and stuff like that. So like I was like, okay, so like I was listening to Ugly God. I forgot like what song it was. I forgot what it was. I think it was the one with him and Wiz Khalifa. I don't know. And I was like, man, that would be pretty damn. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. I mean, be dope. I'm so sorry, y'all. Man, and that'd be dope. So like I was like, okay, so I already did sketch and everything. It took me like almost like I want to say like I started it and then like I kept putting it down. Like I'll finish a little part of the drawing and then like leave it alone because I don't want nothing else to happen to it, because like I'm real serious about my drawings, especially when I try to sketch them out and stuff like that. So like I'm like, man, so I'm that type of person that basically like to crumple up the paper while drawing. And I was like, man, this is getting. I used to get so angry. Like when I tell you angry, I mean angry, angry. Like wanna throw a hissy fit, kind of angry, But since I don't know, like, it's been like since then, like I've been trying to, like let loose and not let loose, but kind of try to break that habit of me like trying to tear up the paper and all that stuff like that. I mean, I still do it a few times, but I try my best to try to not to do it, because it's kind of hard. Because, like, I mean, when it comes down to my drawing, I try to put my best and my all in it. Like, I'm like, dude, and I love how y'all like just responding to it, and like just giving me like, I appreciate it the most. I really do. And we wouldn't really made it this far yet. And I mean, I know we're not like far up there yet, but we will. It's just gonna take some time, and we can't really rush things. So like, it's just I'm just happy to see that my channel is actually going somewhere. Cause to be honest with you, I really wanted to shut it down. Cause I kind of felt like I wasn't really giving my all to it, and like I rarely draw and stuff like that. So like, I don't know. And like I just felt a certain way about it. And like I talked to my brother about it and like he was like, yo, you don't see progress, but other people does. Other people do. Like when they see your drawings and stuff like that. And I asked him, I was like, what do you mean? And he was like, dude, your people is looking at your stuff. And I'm like, we went to the whole YouTube thing and all that stuff. He was showing me, and I was like, man, he's right. I can't stop nothing yet. I cannot do this. I can't quit yet. This is only beginning, and like since then, the channel has really been growing, and I, again, want to say thank y'all for everything. I appreciate it. Wouldn't really be here without y'all, really, to be honest with you. And I appreciate every word of it. I do. I really do. And let me tell y'all a story. Okay. Now I was doing this thing Like I used to draw, I draw in high school and middle school and all that stuff like that, you know. And one time, I had just one person. He came up to me and he was like, "Yo, man, draw me a picture, bro." And I'm like, "What you talking about?" He's the man. Draw me a picture, man. I'll be seeing your drawings, man. You cold. And I'm like, "You want me to draw you a picture? Am I that really that a little talented to be, you know, drawing for other people?" You know, I was like really subconscious about my whole drawings and stuff like that. And I really just keep my drawings to myself. Like I usually don't really try to show people them because like I don't know, I will put myself down. Like basically what I meant by that, like um I used to just, you know, like people were like, "Oh man, you're so good at drawing," you know, and I'll be the one to be like, "No, I'm not," you know. So like I grew out of that. And I mean, don't get me wrong, sometimes I still feel like that sometimes, but like, you know, you can't really keep your life going and just be like that. You know, you just gotta grow up, you know. So like since then, I've been really taking really good pride off of what I do because of y'all, you know. And like I said, I wouldn't really be here without y'all, and I appreciate it. Like, man, it's been the greatest weeks of my life, you know, with the whole church thing going on and stuff like that. And just seeing y'all, you know, apply yourselves and being like, "Yo, man, check this dude out," you know. And even though we're not like up there like PewDiePie or the rest of them, I know that we're gonna get up there. I do know that, you know, it's gonna be great. Once we get up there, it's gonna be great. We're gonna have a lot to celebrate, y'all. We will. And I'm just happy to be on this road with y'all, and I'm glad to be finally, I don't know, I guess appreciative of my drawings, I guess, you know. And I don't know, it's amazing. That's all I gotta say. It's just amazing, man. I'm finally living out one of my dreams where I can finally show people, you know, my drawings, you know, show people that what I can do. You know, this ain't no this ain't no Instagram challenge or nothing, you know, this is just me. Like I've been drawing for a good while now. And like it just took me forever. I kinda felt like it took me forever to finally realize that, you know, try to do things with the stuff that you know how to do. I guess I don't know if I'm making sense or not, but y'all let me know in the comments. I think it's kind of funny that we've been talking this whole freaking time. I think that's hilarious. I think that's dope. I know, and I've been kind of thinking about this whole vlog channel and everything else, you know. And I feel like I feel like we're gonna get somewhere. I really do. I feel like we will. I feel like we are. I mean, you know. And shoot, y'all tell me what y'all think about the video so far in the comments. You know, don't be scared don't be scared not to say anything in the comments. You know, come on, let me reach out to y'all. Y'all reach out to me. Y'all don't like the video, y'all tell me in the comments. You know, we'll get some stuff straightened. You know, 'cause I feel like I wanna do something with this channel, dude, and I'm gonna really need y'all help to do it. You know, so don't be scared to comment or like, or, you know, if you want me to do certain videos, certain other videos, you know, uh, don't be scared to comment that. Or, you know, if you want to kind of see, I want to say my personal life, I guess, then, you know, you can also go and check out my Instagram. It's at the_official Mysterical20. My Snapchat is TGOD for life 19. And yeah, and if y'all want, you know, just want to check out what I do, you know. And I'm gonna be trying to get these shirts out for y'all because I'm almost done with it. I'm almost done with it. I really do like it. And I really hope y'all like it. Like it's like, okay, now like for the drawing, like I was thinking I had a really tough time thinking on how I want to do the shirts for y'all because y'all do deserve the best. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Y'all do. For all the support and blessings y'all been doing, y'all deserve the best. But like these shirts, it's basically like a mural. And like I was thinking, like why not, draw like a torso, like a body torso, and like put my drawings on there. Put my recent drawings and stuff like that. Like from the ones that had 1,000, but then I lost them. But it's not a big thing. Like I'm really mad that I brought it up. Because like at the end of the day, stuff happens. You can't really take it to heart. So you just gotta roll with the punches, and if you fall down, you just gotta remember to get back up. So like, since then, like, I got this picture. What picture is it? It's 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 a picture of crap. I can't really think about it. I can't really think of the picture, but like, I got a lot of stuff. Like, I'm excited. I'm gonna do a whole lot for y'all, for just being y'all, and I really do appreciate it. Like, thank y'all. Like, for real. Y'all are the best. I love y'all and I'm not just saying that just so y'all can, be like, oh, he cares. I really do meant that. I'm not just putting on a show just to get more subscribers or whatever like that. Because I wanna take this drawing thing to the next level. I want to show people that, anybody can do anything once they put their mind to it. There's no, I can't do this and I can't do that. That's not real. You're just saying that because you haven't really tried it. And how I know about this is because, like, I've been that same way myself when I was growing up, and I don't know, it's just upsetting going back and to those days where I was just saying all that because, like, if I wouldn't have been like that, then, I don't know how a few things would have changed about me, like my self-esteem would be so low or something like that. But, you learn things and you just gotta go. You just gotta go with the punches. And I'm so sorry if I'm off topic. Y'all gonna be like, what the hell, dude? This dude is not talking about the joint at all. He just talked about his freaking life. But like, okay. When I'm on camera, I'm kind of like a nervous wreck. Like, I really do not like being on camera. Like, I hate it. I really do hate it. And I'm like, I'm not speaking. That's why, like, I used to not speak I don't speak in my videos. I don't mean to do it, but like, I guess I've been ashamed of my voice for a long time. So that's why y'all haven't really heard me on camera until today. I kind of felt like, it would be kind of dope if I can talk in one of my videos and y'all like it, But I hope y'all like the drawing. I'm sorry if I was off topic. Please make sure to like, comment, share with your friends, get that out there. Because, this is a great road we're going down. And we just need to keep going, because we can totally do this. I know we can. And like I said, if y'all want to contact me, you can get my Snapchat, let me know what y'all think in the comments, okay? It was great doing this video for y'all, and I just want to say thank y'all for everything. See ya in the next video.